Let's everyone to come.
इसलिए आवाज नहीं आ रहा है।
Am I audible now?
हाँ
Okay. And everyone is here?
सेशन डिस्कनेक्ट हुआ था क्या?
हाँ,
Session
disconnect
is
हो गया।
only for 40 minutes free. If you give monthly tuition fee some 2,000 or 3,000, we'll go for pro
Okay.
account. Okay.
वो account।
So here instead of
every day you are changing condition.
okay, no, that the base condition is there, Deepak, for you. Okay. So
No, then we can switch to Google Meet.
leave it. So coming to here, here we had given x into x. Now I want to print odd square cube. So here I will write cube, and I can go for x into x into x. Okay. I can go into x into x into x divided by 4 something. If I have to write some. So like here also you do some operation. Here you, if this is in middle, you have one operation, and in the last you have one operation. So it start from middle or something, and in last you have some condition. If condition satisfy, then it goes to the in left side. In left side, x is that the number, and like you can do like if I have given you some 1 lakh, your father had given, he do not care. Like with 1 lakh you can do you can have party and you finish that money, or you can put in share and you earn it as it is. Okay. Like so here your dad is giving some money. Here you are going to decide that what I have to do with money, and here you are doing something with that.
Conclusion.
So list comprehension you understood, right?
Yes.
So why actually list comprehension is needed? Because in list, if you have very big list and you want to do some modification, then manually doing it is very difficult, right? It was like suppose if I had told you that up to like up to 1,000 or to 10,000 you do this, okay, or like 1,20,000 something. Manually it is not possible, you cannot do it, but see here it will do.
It will come.
Oh no,
No.
yeah. Why it is coming?
Because Google is not verifying your variable.
Because it did not save actually.
It will come.
Yeah, means it's saving, no, it is problem, but
it will come.
yesterday also we had this problem.
Same issues.
Now coming to tuple, okay. What is tuple?
Maybe the output length issue is there. Output
no,
length.
No.
I think there is some limitation.
It did not save it. Sometime like Google Colab taking time to save it. After saving
Okay.
like past one only.
Yesterday happened the same thing. It was that sometimes cause the problem while saving into Google. Okay,
so what is tuple, okay, or tuple, or what pronouns we can say, tuple or tuple? Okay, what?
Tuple.
Tuple, okay, so
tuple is similar to list, but it is immutable.
So what is mutable and what is immutable?
Mutable that we can manipulate the data, but in immutable it is not possible to manipulate the data.
How we are manipulating the data? For example,
suppose in the list we can change with the index. Suppose that if we want to change then like here is in the example of tuple 1, and I want to change the index 1 position gigs with I want to change the gigs with something like Manish or something else. So tuple list Python will not allow. And instead of tuple, if we are using list, then it will allow. Python will allow.
So tuple and list is both brother from same mother. Okay, only difference is list is cool guys. Okay, he is like he's like, okay, you are also friend, that friend. He's like he's like river or kind of sea. Anyone can go and jump it in. But swimming pool, small swimming pool, okay, in your home, like bath what is called like in bathroom, what a small tub you have, no? In that, like it is personal, no other people, only fixed people can go it. Okay, so tuple is like that. He will tell in a starting, whatever you have given it to me, I will accountable for that only. Neither you can remove or nor you can add it. But in list, what we have seen, actually we added some element. Remember, in it was adding from last. When we wanted to insert some element on some position, we did that also. We deleted some element and it was deleting from last, like pop, if you have remembered. Then we removed some element based on position also. Tuple said no.
Simply we can say it will allow, Python will allow only to read operation is there, not write operation is not there, not possible.
Wow,
we can say
you are really intelligent. Okay, you should apply professor post in IIT.
No,
this answer I never came. Like I never heard this, but this is right answer. But like say it again.
Only perform read operation in tuple, but in list you can implement read and write.
Okay, so why tuple is needed when like list also is having the same? Simply we will not modify. I know that, okay, we should not modify it. So and there would not have needed tuple.
See, many things in the database, we have many things that no one is allowed to change, like and suppose if list and tuple both are similar, then no need of tuple. If we have list, then no need of tuple is there. So something should be there, like that is immutable, that should be immutable.
So
suppose you want to allow only 7 people in this session, so you only want to allow 7 people, and then it will allow only 7 people. No further manipulation is there, no further allotment is there. So that's why we are using tuple in database or in Python.
Okay, Deepak, very good, thank you. Any other people, any other guys can tell why tuple and list is needed when list is there, why tuple is needed? Like Arvind, Ashish.
Sorry, we don't have any idea. First time we are hearing this.
No, like no, like you just say that give a real example where really you cannot modify, or like it is not allowed to modify. That's why we need tuple. I will tell you. You have Aadhaar card, no? You go to Aadhaar card center. You had changed your mobile number. I think Nitish had gone and he did that by giving some amount and like authorization something. But if I want to change my Aadhaar card number, is it possible?
Aadhaar card number we can't change, but inside the element what we have given, we can able to change.
So suppose that if I had given, means government had data of Aadhaar card number as a list, then some like worker, clerk and all, if he had friendship with you, he could have modified it. Okay, but since it is not mutable, means government is very intelligent enough. He had used Aadhaar card number as a tuple so that no people can change it, right? He had given that Arvind and but your Aadhaar card number is in tuple. Okay, like every people
Correct,
Aadhaar
correct.
card number
Got
is
it, got it, got it.
so that's why. So and how to initialize it? So if you give anything in bracket, it will understand as a tuple, and let's run it. So in tuple, you see if you did not give any element, then it will print in a small bracket. In list, if empty list, then which bracket it was printing? Remember?
It is not printing anything. Whatever we have given in the
But
print,
it was
will print.
it was printing some bracket. You remember? Okay, we'll go to list. Suppose that here list empty.
Only bracket.
Yeah. So this is for list bracket. Okay. We call it in my school days. I was calling it bracket. Okay.
Big bracket.
And this I was calling it
Small
bracket. Okay, bracket. And there was like Majli bracket also. That is dictionary.
Curly bracket.
Curly bracket. Okay. So you understand the empty tuple is a small bracket. List empty list is nothing but like big bracket.
Big bracket.
And we will say curly bracket will see tomorrow. Now in see another list, another tuple is there. In that tuple, I had given gigs for okay. So there is two element in that. Just like list, we can pass it. But the only problem is that in a starting only we have to pass gigs for gigs. Or Arbind if I write. Okay. So everything is string till now. It will print gigs for Arbind price 5,000. 5,000 I had passed it in as a string, but I can pass it as a integer also. Okay. So it will print as integer 5,000. Okay. If I have to write as a boolean, then I can write as true. Okay. So true and false is Boolean data type. I will tell you sometimes later. But just understand that true and false come under Boolean data type. It has some meaning. True means right 1, and false means 1. False means 0. Okay. And if I want to get 5,000, what is the value of 5 means at third? So 5,000 is at what position? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is on fourth position. Everyone agree? So if I want to print that 5,000, then I will write print just like list, nothing different. For reading purpose, it is same. Okay. And writing anyway not possible as Deepak said. So 5,000 is printed. Okay, if I want to print Arbind, then what should I had? I should give like at what position Arbind is there? Then 2. It will print Arbind. But if I want to print Arbind A only, then what should I write?
Pass dot 0 with in the big bracket in the parenthesis. 0.
Why?
0.
Arbind, do you agree with Deepak that I should give 0?
0 before what?
0 after in the next bracket. In the next bracket, place 0. No. Sorry. Yeah.
That will come. Correct.
Yeah. Why? Because
Because
tuple 2, tuple 1, 2, like this become one string. And in a string, we want, just assume that this is string 1 in earlier class. And I want to get 0th position of string 1, okay, like that number. So that's why it will print A. For example, if I want to print 0 to 3, means 0 to 3, then it will print ARV.
So we can't use replace function in trip, right? Tuple, right?
See, here you are not, you are reading here, Arvind. Don't confuse. You are not, if after this, if you print tuple, okay, sorry. You have read it, okay, but you did not change anything in original value, okay.
That is what in the list we can able to replace with another value or character, but in the tuple we can't replace with anything.
Correct,
We have
correct.
to only read. We can't write it.
See here, we'll print tuple.
Replace.
Here original, we write original. See here, ARB gigs for Arvind the price 15 something. Original tuple is still there, and if you want to replace something, like append we had written, no, so we'll try. Let's see. Anyway, it will give error. We should try tuple 1 dot append.
Append means we are removing it, right?
Append means we are adding it. Okay. So here we will add it, please. Let's see.
It will print only add it. Okay.
It printed that at 14th line tuple 1. See at here.
Tuple is very rude. He will not allow.
Tuple object has no attribute append. Okay. No. I am not kind enough. Okay. So I will tell, okay, I will give you position also, so that you will not have problems. So I will try to insert it. Okay. Or like just pop it. Pop operation. Pop means, remember, it was deleting from last. So it is saying no, pop also. I cannot delete also. Like if you have become friends, I will be always friend. I do not want to add friend, and neither I want to remove my circle friend. Okay. It is no, means neither one way, two way, no way. It is closed one. Okay.
Singular.
So list and tuple is same. Only thing that in list you can do modification, but in tuple you cannot do modification. Reading is same. In last class we learned that multi-dimensional list. Remember that in list we passed list. Here also we can pass in tuple, another tuple we can pass it. Okay. So that is not a problem. Only thing that modification is not allowed. Otherwise it is, suppose that here tuple 1, no, I had given true. If I give one more tuple, I can pass list also. 1, 2, 3.
Anything we can pass, but we can't write.
Right.
Modify.
So see this, in tuple itself there is a list. In tuple itself there can be a tuple. In that tuple also it can be a tuple, or it can be a list, or it can be something. In a starting time you give anything, no problem. But after that you cannot modify it. So we learned string, we learned list, we learned tuple, we learned what is list comprehension. So list comprehension was nothing but we can do some operation inside the list itself
Inside the list.
to simplify or like to the usability of something, like we reduce our time, right, for any doing. So that's it. Like if you have any question up to here, you are free to ask, don't hesitate. Okay. And tomorrow class we will learn set, dictionary, and if anything is left, then we'll see. So I think string, list, and tuple you are clear, because it is heavy raining here in Bangalore. We should enjoy it with chai and all that. So,
Okay.
okay. Any
Done
question?
for this class.
Okay.
Actually, I googled replace function.
Mhm.
So I found the solution.
Mhm.
We pass the third element,
Mhm.
and we should pass the how many counts, like we want to replace one character or two character or three. So we want to we need to mention third argument as a n.
Okay. So
So it will
Arvind,
replace.
your question was that W was replacing with A. Welcome to Gigs, remember? And all W was getting replaced.
Replace.
So Deepak has come with solution that if you want to replace only one W or two W or three W, then you write replace in a starting, like replace W with A, and how many W you want to replace, then you write in the third argument parameter. Okay, that 3 or 2 or 4. Suppose up to 4 W is present, it will replace. If it is not,
My question is, if I want to replace W on a second W or third W or fourth W, not from starting to 4 or starting to 5.
Okay, Deepak. So Arvind got new question for you.
Actually,
That is
he
what
came with
was
a
the
new
question.
answer. He came with a new question. So we
No, that
actually
was
I
the
will find the
question.
solution and share it tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay.
We will give a word
Sure.
for that.
Hmm.
Any other question?
Okay. No, not from my side.
So shall I end this session?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
Good
bye
night.
bye.
Enjoy the rain. Whoever is in Bangalore, or enjoy.
You enjoy the
Okay, bye bye. Good night.
All the best. Bye
Thank
bye.
you.